Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Capcut is installed and signed in. Open a new project and import your video and any audio placeholders. This gets assets ready. Next, paste or upload the text you want converted to speech and pick the language and approximate voice style. Once done, drag your media to the timeline so you can align where speech should start. Make sure your project settings, like sample rate and resolution, match the target export before moving to TTS creation. You now open Capcut's text-to-speech panel and paste the exact script. This is where accuracy matters. Choose a voice and then tweak speed and pitch to match the scene's energy, because natural cadence sells clarity. After generating audio, listen and use pronunciation fixes or split the text into multiple lines to control pauses. Then drag the resulting TTS clip onto the timeline and nudge or trim it so syllables land with on-screen actions. This synchronization is what makes the narration. You finish by balancing levels. Add subtle EQ and a short fade and slash out so speech breathes, and keep music below -6 dB so words remain clear. Export with a suitable codec and frame rate, then review the final render to confirm lip sync and timing. If the voice appears robotic or runs together, make sure to slow the speed a touch, insert intentional punctuation pauses, or regenerate specific lines with different voice settings. If errors persist, re-import a revised audio track and replace the TTS clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.